Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
In the master bedroom, the red feature wall will be a dramatic backdrop for the bed. And next door in the guest bedroom, the leopard print wallpaper costing £28 a roll is looking good.
Would you like to look in that bag?
Not
You probably
really,
wouldn't, actually.
from what I'm seeing, no.
Now, I don't want you thinking I've actually just torn up some old swimwear to make these, but these are going to feature on the bed. But remember, it's a bit like looking into the jungle where you maybe see an animal coming through.
John, it's like something you'd win in a fairground.
Yes, I
It's
know.
awful.
It's actually a good quality one, though.
Look at this one, though.
But
There's,
will
no,
you
there's
only
no
s-
excuse for that, John.
But you'll only see little bits. There'll be little bits peeking over, just like maybe a leopard in the jungle.
Well, what I need to know is, are you going to put them all together?
No, they'll be spaced out.
Thank
Although I might
goodness
just
for
go
that.
wild. Might just go wild. How would you feel about that?
I think they're awful. But as
Bear
always,
with me.
I always start out these makeovers going, that's terrible, and then at the end of it,
I'm surprised
together.
I'm doing this myself, actually, but I just feel that room really needs a little bit of fun.
In the kitchen, they're trying to dry the towels quickly so they're ready for a second coat.
okay, I'm going to show them the wallpaper. I hope they like it. I know we think it's wallpaper. Hello, you two. Hello. You all right? I'm all
Yeah.
right. Okay, now. Is that wallpaper? It is wallpaper. Don't worry, I've got my boxing gloves ready. And it's kind of leopard print wallpaper, isn't it? I do
is.
like it, though. Do you? Yes, I do. Because I think I may have an idea.
You really like
where,
it?
where I'd like leopard printy things.
Where?
In the spare bedroom.
Oh, okay.
I'll reserve judgment on that. But I've got every faith in John. So,
Have you?
Yes,
Yes.
I'm sure it'll look good.
Do you know what? I'm going to take back what I said about your false fish. That looks good, doesn't it?
They actually move. They move as well.
Who would have thought it? That little bit of plastic could bring so much joy in 60 minutes.
Keep going, Carol. Don't stop.
am I supposed to do?
Don't stop. Paint anything that's orange.
That's even good. What's that noise? I've not heard that in at least 10, 15 years. It's a hairdryer. This is good because we've got the blue tiles. Those need to dry a little bit quicker, but don't put it too near the units because it keeps the paint actually, makes it go chewing gummy. So bring it back, give it a little blast, and we'll get a second coat on quicker. So it's all hands to the pump because I need to get you all off the floor to get my flooring down. Confident? Nobody can hear me. Are you confident?
This cabinet is actually a workstation for the guest bedroom. It's made out of dark stained pine woven rattan panels.
Oh, please fit. Is it going? Is it, guys, okay, yeah? Yes, I knew that. It was all measured.
Okay, guys. 2 minutes left.
In the master bedroom, red sticky back plastic is being applied to the wardrobe doors with a water spray.
It's looking all right. She'll probably think I painted her wardrobes.
Can you roller these tiles?
What colour's that?
There's the wrong colour. Do not say that. No, that's the right one. You wind up.
No, that's golden glow, and we're using oatmeal on the tile.
No, well, that's the tile the paint you're using for the tiles, isn't it?
No, that's
emulsion.
that's golden
You've
glow.
just dipped it in that.
I've done the same, you see.
Now, you remember, they used to have an office area downstairs under the stairs. That just looked really, really messy. So what I've done is bring it up in here into the guest bedroom, and these are fantastic. They're a bit like entertainment units, but they're workspaces. And what you have here is a fantastic little office, but it looks like a really nice piece of furniture, pieces of paper, filing, the laptop, holes at the back for services, all works perfectly well. But when it's closed and your guests are here, it just looks like a really nice piece of furniture.
And in the living room, there's a problem with a sagging curtain pole.
What I think what we'll do is I can put a fixing in the ceiling with a little bit of fishing line, so you don't see it and it'll hold it up. Because otherwise you pull that, it's just going to collapse.
Okay, guys, that is tea break. Come on down, tools, everyone. That's tea break. Time for the team to refuel and reflect on what work is left to be done. The living room and dining area feature walls have been painted, but there's furniture still to bring in. At least the fish are settling in well. In the kitchen, the waste disposal unit is in and the orange walls are nearly covered. The master bedroom has been successfully painted, but needs dressing. And in the guest bedroom, there's still a bed to build, but the leopard print wallpaper is finished. Oh, that's lovely, John.
You could do that all day, couldn't you?
Lovely blinds. Now, we've had a little drama.
Yeah?
Erkin and his pole, it drooped in the middle.
So what I think I'll ask Erkin to do at the end is make a little bracket. We'll hopefully find a beam up there.
So have you had any more dramas?
No, everything's going quite well. Have you seen upstairs? I'm really pleased with that animal print.
It's lovely, isn't it?
I'm really pleased with it. It's not usually my thing, but I'm feeling wild.
OK, then, well, I think you better feel wild and encourage your troops outside. Go on.
Are they still having their tea?
They are. Go and roar at them. Go on.
OK, boys and girls of fun and makeover, I am genuinely quite happy, especially with the guest bedroom. Your work's sensational, sir, with that fantastic wallpaper. The furniture's in there. Now, living room people, hands. Erkin, could try a little bit harder. Don't answer me back, Erkin. I think what we need to do is really crack on there. We've got the door still to put on.
Yep.
I think we've got to mix up with the curtains. I want to speak to you about your poles straight after.
Okay.
And in general, get the floor clear, get everything done, because we're going to get that furniture in. So, are we all ready?
Yes!
Are we enthusiastic?
Yes!
Are we going to do it in 15 minutes?
Yes!
Good.
OK, there's just 30 minutes left now to the end of the makeover. Remember, when the clock stops, so do we, team, and that is tea break over. OK, guys, in you go. Today's tough task is a 2 up, 2 down in Northampton, and we've got just half an hour to finish it. So come on, you better hurry up. So we're coming on well in here, aren't we, John, with all the paintwork? Paintwork is done.
Tweaking to do.
Yeah.
Ellie,
Yeah.
we've still got those 2 doors to paint. Forgot about those, so those are let them be put on and you can then paint them, okay? And then all the other paint out of the place.
I need to show you something upstairs.
Oh.
Come on. Hello. Now, good timing.
Yeah.
Can I give you my honest opinion?
Well, is it nice?
No. Are you entirely sure about these red panels on the door?
Yeah, I think when the whole room is dressed, it'll just give it a different feeling. And as I said before, if you don't like it, you just simply peel them off.
Okay.
So let me do it. It just
Wait
gives
until it's all done, yeah.
Yeah, you might still hate them, but
I just popped in during tea break and I saw all the lovely rich dark reds and I saw this like Scream and Fire Engine red on the wardrobe and I wasn't sure.
well, it's a bit sometimes like you might wear different lipsticks, or you might choose a hotter top, as you have today. It's a subtle combination of reds.
What?
I don't know what I'm talking about. Let me show you next door.
Trust you, it'll look good at the end, yeah?
Yeah, please.
Okay then.
Yeah. Do you want to have a look at my wallpaper next door?
I love your wallpaper.
I'm so pleased with it.
Seen it.
It really looks, it gives
It's
a
really, really
nice
gorgeous,
shape.
John.
Wallpaper is really, really back in vogue because what it will do, everyone's going for paint, but you can see what a difference that makes.
Yeah.
It gives a texture, it gives
It's
an
really
atmosphere.
surprised me because I thought, oh, footballers' wives won't like it, you know,
Yeah.
it's gorgeous.
But it's fantastic. And from a distance, you don't really, it's not too garish,
No, it's lovely.
like my cushions.
That is a success.
The new wooden Venetian blinds are going up in the kitchen. The front panel is attached with Velcro. The orange wall has been neutralised with cream paint. And the tiles are being given a second coat.
Lovely kitchen people, how are we doing? Somebody speak to me?
Yes,
Yeah.
right.
Now, I want you out of here, finish painting in about 4 minutes because I need the floor to go down. So get it on thick. Oh, look, Claire Sweeney's doing some painting.
I am.
Fantastic. Okay.
Who put these nails in?
Ellie did.
Right, okay, take those nails out.
let's not waste 5 minutes talking about nails. This is a great way to simply put these curtains on. Take something like a hammer and just fold them back and forward like that. And then when I pass them to my lovely assistant Max, who I've never worked with before, pop them up there and he can simply slide them on. See, look at that. Without dropping the hammer. Safety first. Got it? Yeah. Kind of that's the way you're meant to do it. Okie dokie.
Girls, what are you making of the red doors on the wardrobes? Not sure.
What do you think?
I don't like them, but I have every faith in John, and John said once the room is dressed and done, they will blend in. They look lovely, so see you later.
See you later.
We're locked in. We're actually locked in.
Yeah.
We're properly locked in. Joel, I bet you John's locked me in with the stopwatch.
That's for the dogs. Anyway, getting too excited about the dogs. There's an empty crate.
We're locked in.
Shout for help there.
Oh, thank you. We were locked in. Sorry. Okay.
Wait, look at these, look at these.
They're gorgeous.
See, feel that, feel that. And not only do they look like suede, they're not suede, you can actually wipe that.
Really?
Wipe it clean for spillages and that kind of thing.
What's it called, the fabric?
Micro suede.
Micro suede.
Micro
Suedette.
Suedette, you and me. Come on, Maxie. Right. And we just stack these along. I'm trying to make an L shape here, okay? So what we'll do is leave a bit of clearance there, L in there, and probably use the corner piece just to end it off like an arm. So just keep building that up. That's a footstool, leave that to the end.
In the guest bedroom, they're building the king-size bed. It's made from chocolate brown mocha leather and is a contemporary take on a French sleigh bed design.
I've got a sneaking suspicion.
I think we should ask someone to help.
I think we should do this side first.
Then you'll find a corner piece,
To go here.
which is there, and then run into there, okay? Here's another. Right, put that one there, and then there's a corner piece goes in here.
Right.
That's not the corner piece. That's it. That's it. Right, can I leave you with that, Max?
Right.
Okay. Now there's a coffee table to go here. There's bedside. There's the not bedside. There's the side tables and lamps. Just leave that. Let's put all the accessories on there just now, and I'll come back. In the meantime, also the guys will bring in the table, chairs. Get that set up there. All right, come on. I said 5 minutes left for painting. You're still painting. Stop painting. Stop painting. Just get out of my kitchen! Get all the stuff out the back. And the flooring, guys. Can you get the floor down?
Yeah. Right, with this mask
Okay.
come off the edges.
Just leave all, Paddy, just clear out and just either, if you're not helping with the floor, then go to the back. What we can do, yes, Erkin?
Anything to hang over here?
There will be in a second, but I want the furniture in first. In fact, well,
Hello, you lot. You okay? Oh, the doggy's gone to sleep?
Just woken up.
Hey. Now, what do you think the doggies will make of this?
It looks like Harry.
It does.
It's another Harry.
What do you think?
Gorgeous.
Do you like it?
Oh, I do.
You like leery stuff, don't you?
I do. I don't know.
I'm going to have to reserve judgment on that one. I'll wait and see.
Yeah. Now, I think you're going to like this.
Different.
Where would you hate to see it?
Do you really want me to answer that? The living room, the bedrooms,
Everywhere.
the kitchen.
Well, guess
No,
what?
I'm sure it'll look good.
Okay.
Yes. Am I going to get emotional?
I hope so. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
In the kitchen, it's taking 6 of the team to bring in the wood effect lino.
yeah.
Right, that should be about in the middle.